want to achieve anything in life, then you need to have thoughts like, I can do this. And you have to believe in yourself. Hello everyone, my name is Shitnyasa and I welcome you all on this show, The Walking Head. So you see, you might have some dreams and goals in your life and you are desperate enough to achieve them all. What do you do then? You probably make a schedule, you make a proper plan, you set out everything. You want to go step by step and you want to achieve your goals, you want to achieve your dreams, you want your dreams to come true. But my friend, you can never take action towards something unless you believe in yourself. This is really important in your life, in any phase of your life. Be it a kid, be it a teenager, be it an adult or an age-old person, be it any stage of your life. This is really important. You have to remember one thing, to believe in yourself. You might have decided something, that what else you can do to achieve your goals, or what else you can do to make your dream come true. But what if some people come and tell you, this is difficult, I have tried this and I failed in it. So just think before you do this. What do you do then? You keep on thinking, right? You think that, oh, that person told me, that person suggested me that he did it and he failed in it. Will I be able to do this? Maybe even I'll fail into it. Maybe I will have to face failure. Oh my God. Come on. This is where you go wrong. Even if one person comes and tell you this is difficult, or maybe 100 of people come and tell you that this is difficult, what you have to do is just believe in yourself. That's it. Maybe that thing was difficult for a person or maybe 100%, but maybe you have those skills within you. Maybe you're confident enough and you have that knowledge and you have that power to achieve that goal. So why keep on listening to 100 people who failed? I mean, it's good to have suggestions, it's good to have advice from people who have already experienced it. But only because they have failed and now you think that you can even not do this, this is really wrong, right? Taking advices from some experienced person is always a better advice. Even I would suggest you to take advice from such people. But still you have to do what your mind tells you. Believe in yourself. I just want to tell you this one sentence in this whole video. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. This is only sentence that you should always keep in your mind and you should implement. You should walk by this sentence. I just wanted to give you this simple message today, that start believing in yourself. This is the key to your success and I hope that you agree with this message. If you agree with what I have said, if you believe in yourself, then please comment below that yes, you agree. And if you have such story regarding this, that have you started believing in yourself, then please comment that down, because then other people will also come to know about it. Also, I know there are many people who are struggling to believe in their own. So I want to come with a video where I would give you some simple steps how you can start believing in yourself. So please let me know, should I make a video on this or not, and make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel so you'll get to know about another videos that I'll be posting soon, and we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and be happy. Bye bye.